You have to know backend and front end anyways if you're building alone. Should I feel guilty about learning during the entire week and not really building? I don't know. I've been debating with myself about this, but I just can't rely on vibe coding solely. That's why React is a way to go. This is what I've learned throughout the whole week from learning React and Next.js framework. Well, first of all is among thousands of small mini technical and non-technical lessons, I've learned that you can craft basically an MVP of your product and with vibe coding, but vibe coding is not a solution. Vibe coding has become one of the main reasons why I started learning React, because if you want to build production grade, it's really hard to do so with vibe coding, so you'll have a lot of problems. First is it's not scalable really, because what will work with 10 users will never work with thousands of users. The second one is it's not really credible in the sense that there is no production behind it, and there's this kind of joke that vibe coders will create a lot of jobs for people in cybersecurity, because those applications do not have production, like as a strong production as you would like to have. So that's the second one, and the third one is probably it's just cool to know the language, because I believe you have to know backend and front end anyways if you're building alone. I've really not much to say about front end, as all you need is React and Next.js. Next.js is the framework, React is UI module, and all of them based upon JavaScript. If you don't know JavaScript, well, that's fine. I don't know it either, so it's gonna be alright. It's just you need to know what you're dealing with when you are building front end. A couple of words about research. Do as much of research as you humanly can in ML engineering, in AI, in applied AI, whatever. I recently reviewed my plan for the next upcoming months and reassessed what am I supposed to be doing, because obviously many things have changed since I realized that, well, I need to learn React, and I had other plans, but obviously everything, as I've said it plenty of times, everything is changing so fast that you have to adjust. And it doesn't mean that you have to drift from your original directions. It's just a little small tweaks here and there will help you stay on track to good AI engineering if you're in this space. Yeah, I feel it becomes a huge scale because research obviously has changed in the past decade. I'm obsessed with time a lot. Time efficiency, return on time, but we actually live in time and space. Time is the rate of change, space is the shape of change. At the end of the week, I'm so fucking tired. I'll finish this video now. Make return on space just as important as return on time.